Hey everyone. Somebody asked about how the mounting system works that I've got going here. I'll show you. This is a pretty quick hack up because I've been going back and forth between using carrier arms here and my keyboard tray under the table there. But the way that I have things set up right now that I really like is the boards themselves are mounted on carrier plates. So you can see those are just custom made aluminum plates that have an insert in the back here and allow the boards to screw in with one or more screws to hold them on the carriers. And then the carrier inserts are at this corner. So a Smallrig arm. This is a Smallrig Rosette arm. I really like these. They're super stiff. They have all metal hardware. They're as good as it gets at a reasonable price. They're about, I don't know, 35, 40 bucks each. These are the 11-inch version, I believe. Those then go up to a CAMVATE brand clamp. The most important thing about this clamp for flat surfaces is that it has a flat surface here, it has a flat surface on the little plunger that hits the desk on the bottom, and it has this big T-handle, which lets you really tighten it down. If you get something that just has a little round handle on here, it's gonna suck. You won't be able to tighten it down enough, and things will be really wiggly. You'll also wanna note that I have both arms on the left side of the clamp so that any downward torque on the keyboard here is tightening rather than loosening that. So on the right hand side, it's also mounted on the left side of the clamp. So any downward torque on the device here is tightening. And then I just loosen this. The whole thing moves around like a magic arm should, and that lets you get pretty much the perfect fit. Personally, I prefer them a little bit wider than this. I've been shooting it like this because it's easier to show both units at the same time, but I actually really like them on the outsides of my thighs, kind of here, which lets me have my arms in a really relaxed open position. And overall, I think it's really comfortable. So that's the deal. Smallrig Rosette arms, CAMVATE clamps, and the carrier plates that I saw in the shop.